Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Mrs. Rosina Sharik. I welcome you again in my online lecture of English. Dear students, I hope you all will be healthy and fit. May Allah Pak bless you all with health and happiness. Let's start our lecture. This lesson I have taken from Progressive English Book 7, Unit number 4, Sugar and Spice. Dear student, as you know that there are different kinds of writing like fictional writing, non-fictional writing, story writing, paragraph writing, letter writing. Newspaper report is also a kind of writing which I have selected for my lesson. Topic is newspaper article, The Crispy Creamy, and this is a newspaper report by Andrew Johnson. Before going in detail, I want to tell you what is that newspaper article about. It is about the Crispy Creamy. And what is the Crispy Creamy? The Crispy Creamy is a donut company. Crispy Creamy Donut Company. It is the company of America, which remained a big hit, a big success in America for the past 3 years. Now, this company is going to be opened in UK because people of Britain are in love with Krispy Kreme donuts because of their flavors, because of their taste. Dear student, as it was remained a big success, a big hit in America in terms of profit, so the company is going to be opened its shops in Britain, hoping that it will also prove a big success in Britain like America. Dear students, newspaper article covers the basic of current events. They answer the questions who, what, where, how, and when. Headline of this report by Andrew Johnson is Britain tucks into America's hippest, highest fat trend, the Krispy Kreme donut. Tucks into mean start eating. They love to eat. Britain tucks into Britain start eating, start loving eating America's hippest, highest fat trend, the Krispy Kreme donuts. It's the headline of the report. This report consists of 8 paragraphs, which I have summarized into simple English for your better conception, for better understanding. So paragraph number 1 is the headline of the report. As I told you earlier, America's high-fat Krispy Kreme donuts are now heading for Britain because they are very Moorish. Heading for mean they are coming. Company is going to be opened its shops there in Britain because they are very Moorish. Moorish means they are very tempting, irresistible in taste. Second and third paragraph is the prediction. It is the prediction by Michael T. Chong. And who is Michael T. Chong? Michael T. Chong is the most influential trend spotter in the United States. He predicts, he has given 2 predictions. One prediction is about the Krispy Kreme donuts. The other prediction is about disposable DVD. Both the prediction link to America. Initially they were launched in America, and now they are coming to Britain. That's why he links both the prediction. Krispy Kreme donuts will enjoy massive success in Britain as Spanish food is in America. In mean trendy America. So Krispy Kreme donuts, he is saying that Krispy Kreme donuts will enjoy massive success, huge success. It will prove a big hit in Britain as like in America. Second, he predicts about the disposable DVD. These are known as easy DVDs. And what are easy DVDs? Easy DVDs are the disposable DVDs which oxidize 48 hours after being removed from their vacuum seals so that they can no longer be used. And what is the purpose of these easy DVDs? The purpose of these easy DVDs is they are in part to save people to the bother of returning films to higher shops. So these are disposable, or people they save people the bother of returning films. Means कि disposable DVDs are useless after 48 hours. People dispose them off. So it remained a big hit in America. So he also predicts that it will be also a big hit in Britain, just like the Krispy Kreme donuts, which will prove a big hit in Britain. Paragraph 4 is about the reaction of the people about these two developments. So what was the reaction? Neither development is being welcomed with open arms. Health experts condemned Krispy Kreme donuts because of its extraordinarily high fat content. Extraordinarily high fat content means they are rich in calories, they are rich in fats. So obviously if they are rich in fats, rich in calories, so these are very harmful for the people's health. So health experts totally condemned Krispy Kreme donuts. Then MPs are concerned about the environmental impact of throwaway easy DVDs. They were concerned that these disposable easy DVDs are not good for the environment. So they condemned easy DVDs, and health experts condemned Krispy Kreme donuts. These were the reactions. Paragraph 5 is about the reservations of the people. Donuts market in America was the fastest growing food sector, a success likely to be repeated in Britain. Obviously donut market जो है अमेरिका की, it was the fastest growing food in terms of profit. In terms of profit, it was the fastest growing food sector, or the same success likely to be repeated in Britain. That's why they are going to be launched in the other country, na? So 48 varieties of donuts could accelerate another lifestyle in port obesity. So 48 varieties of donuts could accelerate another lifestyle. Kind of disease is obesity, that in it people become fat. People gain weight due to calories, due to fat, due to extra fat. They gained weight, and when someone gain fat, someone become fatty, so chances of disease become increased. So because they contain more fats than donuts and obviously very rich in calories, so they can make people fat. That was the reservations. Paragraph number 6 is warning by chief dietitian of London Hospital. What he says Catherine Collins warned that no doubt aesthetically mean which attractive to the thing which is attractive to your senses are lovely and melt in the mouth, but due to high fat content, people should limit themselves to one a day, which is impossible. Aesthetically, they are very good. They are very attractive. Their taste is good. Their smell is good. They look very beautiful. Aesthetically, they are very, very good, very lovely, and they melt in mouth. So it's very good. It's give a great feeling when it goes in mouth. It gives a great feeling. But due to high fat content, because of high fat content, fat ज़्यादा है, donuts are less. Donuts ingredient are less, but fat is more. So obviously when fat contents are more, then they will be rich in calories. So a dietitian prescribed one a day, enough for body calories. One is enough to complete the calories of the body, but it is impossible. It is they are very moorish. One is irresistible, means हम हाथ नहीं रोक सकते. When we will take, then we will keep on eating this. So one will not be enough. Chief dietitian Catherine Collins totally refused. Paragraph 7 is also about the Ian Campbell. That is also a warning by Dr. Ian Campbell. Dr. Ian Campbell has accused CRISPR Krimi of cynically bucking the trend for healthy eating at a time. Cynical exploitation means that someone deliberately marketing product which is harmful but irresistible in calculating way purely to make a profit for itself. Means intentionally आप कोई अपनी मकसद के लिए अपने कोई प्रॉफिट इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रॉफिट इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी आप डायरेक्टली कोई ऐसी चीज़ इंटेंशनली कोई ऐसी चीज़ आप लॉन्च कर रहे हैं या मार्केट में ला रहे हैं जो कि हेल्थ के लिए अच्छी नहीं है एंड यू नो इट, बट फॉर द पर्पज़ ऑफ प्रॉफिट, फॉर द पर्पज़ ऑफ मनी यू आर डूइंग इट, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड सिनिकल एक्सप्लॉयटेशन. So Dr. Ian Campbell has accused Krispy Kreme of cynically bucking the trend for healthy eating at a time when other food manufacturers are reducing salt content and portion sizes. When other manufacturers जो दूसरे manufacturers हैं वो salt और size भी portion कम कर रहे हैं, उसका size भी कम कर रहे हैं, सॉल्ट की क्वांटिटी भी कम कर रहे हैं, स्पाइसेस की क्वांटिटी भी कम कर रहे हैं, तो ऐसे टाइम में वो ट्रेंड लेकर आ रही है क्रिस्पी क्रीमी डोनट कंपनी कि वो फैट भी उसमें ज़्यादा है, डोनट्स का कंटेंट भी कम है. तो ऐसे टाइम में ये जो ट्रेंड लेकर आ रही है दैट इज़ वो उसको एक्यूज़ करते हैं टोटली डॉक्टर आयन कैम्बल कि ये लोगों के हेल्थ के साथ अच्छा नहीं होगा. डोनट्स हैव नो न्यूट्रिशनल बेनिफिट, रादर अननेसेसरी कैलोरीज. उनमें कोई न्यूट्रिशन, कोई ग़ज़ाई ज़रूरियात जिस्म की पूरी नहीं करते, बॉडी की कोई ग़ज़ाई ज़रूरियात पूरी नहीं करते, बल्कि वो क्या करते हैं दैट दे इंक्रीज़ द कैलोरीज, लोगों को फैटी करते हैं, फैट कर देंगे. अब कंक्लूजन क्या है इसका? रिपोर्ट का कंक्लूजन है, इन अमेरिका क्रिस्पी क्रीमी हैज़ doubled its profit every year for the past 3 years and its share price has quadrupled. Same success the Krispy Kreme company is hoping in Britain. Conclusion क्या है कि because Krispy Kreme company has doubled its profit और इसका share 4 times बढ़ गया है, तो they are hoping the same success in Britain in terms of money. उनके लिए ये बहुत अच्छी होने वाली है, उनको प्रॉफिट देने वाली है, उनको 4 टाइम्स प्रॉफिट देने वाली है, तो वो ये होप कर रहे हैं. तो इसका कंक्लूजन ये है कि वो जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ प्रॉफिट, फॉर द सिनिकल एक्सप्लॉयटेशन दैट क्रिस्पी क्रीमी कंपनी is going to be opened its shops there in Britain. So dear student, this was the report about the Krispy Kreme donut. That's all about from my side. I think all would be clear to you, all the paragraphs would be clear to you. There is an activity at the end. What are the main points of the newspaper article? You have to write down some points about the newspaper article, what you have understood about that report, what are the main articles. For this, you again listen to my lecture carefully and then write down your points and then WhatsApp me on our WhatsApp group. I will wait for this. Good luck, dear students. Allah Hafiz.